get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too dumb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, 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 every time, time, time. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side, side, side.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit sick. I'm sick. So forgive me for my voice and my energy levels, but we're gonna get through this because at least we look cute, you know. If you're not well, then, you know, just look cute and it'll make you feel better, I promise you. So today's video is gonna be another fall makeup tutorial. So leave a thumbs up because I'm still getting this video out for you even though I'm sick, you know. I think I deserve that much, you know. I'm not asking for too much, am I? This I'm calling the pumpkin spice latte look because obviously we've got the pumpkin spice hair color, and I also have some orange golds on my lid, have some whites for the cream, you know. We love a creative queen. And also we have the freckles because it's fall, you know. We're gonna have that cute kind of pumpkin patch doll kind of look going on. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get on to the video. Let's go. So I have in 3 bundles of 24 inches and an 18-inch frontal, and my hair is super long. It goes all the way to my belly button and it's curled, so it came in bone straight. These curls have lasted all week. I've topped them up a little bit today, but they literally lasted me all week, sis, like all week. It's really good quality hair. It's amazing. It's flowy. The frontal is also amazing. I got it made by AsteriaHair and Beauty. If you're in Birmingham, I'm gonna leave her information in the description box because she did an amazing job. So today all I did was kind of curl it, but honestly I've had this hair all week and I've had so many compliments on it. This is what it looked like when I first got it done. As you can see, I look like a whole snack. I look like a whole snack. I'm super happy about this hair color. Like, it literally screams fall. Like, if this hair could talk, it would be screaming, and it would be screaming fall. You know what I mean? This was jet black initially, but it was bleached to this color. This really pretty color. It hasn't even been toned or anything. It just came out this super gorgeous bronzy color, and I think it goes super well with dark skin. I really would highly recommend this. Thank you to AsteriaHair for sponsoring this video. This hair quality is absolutely amazing. Like, I'm shaking. I'm shook. It plucks really well as well. This hairstyle has literally stayed like this all week, so honestly this hair is amazing, absolutely stunning, and I would really highly recommend it. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. But yeah, so AsteriaHair, check them out. So let's get on to the makeup. Let's get it. So I'm going to start off with my lid. As you can see, it's a really nice and simple orange and gold look. These are my favorite kinds of tones, so don't come for me because I like them, okay? So I'm using this orange palette from Pretty Little Thing. Yes, Pretty Little Thing have makeup now, guys, and it's actually amazing. You guys need to check them out. I've tried their eyeshadow and their lip glosses. They are so good. So I'm going to leave it in the description box. And it's, look how pigmented this eyeshadow is, please. Yeah. So I'm just doing a wash over my lid, and then I'm deepening it up a little bit with a darker orangish color just on the crease, and then I'm using these 2 golds in the middle, just in the middle. I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm just adding that for a pop of shimmer in the middle as my base, because after this I'm going to be using a glitter pen to just add a little bit more sparkle, a little bit more pizzazz. I'm adding also in the tear duct that same gold. So this is the gold glitter pen. It's from it's from Poundland, and I'm also adding that in the tear duct. And then I'm doing my winged black liner as always. And then once you're happy with that, that's what it looks like. I'm using LashedLondon lashes. I'm going to leave this in the description box as well. They're super affordable and really nice and last really long and everything like that. So I'm going to leave them in the description box. They are a black owned business, so support, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm going to color correct my face right now. I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, NW40 I believe. And then I'm just going over my darker spots on my face, around my mouth, my nose. I'm just evening out my skin tone really and adding a nice little base to start off my foundation with. I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm kind of over this, to be honest. I think I'm going to try the Fenty Beauty next because I just want to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, new season, new me, who this? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm saying, okay. So, yeah, I'm going to just be creating my base with that. And then onto my concealer. I love that my eyeshadow always pops once I put my foundation on. It just looks so cute. Okay, I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. Also, in this clip, I'm just using that under my eyes. And then I'm using my Beauty Blender to blend all of that out. You guys have seen this a million times, I'm sure, but you guys always still request them, so I'm going to keep them coming for you. Now I'm using my Fawn Concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Yeah. And I'm using that under my eyes just to brighten up a little bit. And then I'm using my Laura Mercier powder. The trick with this is to dab it on the back of your hand before you put it on your face because it just creates a smooth, flawless finish, darling. And that's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we do want. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm doing like 2 layers of that because we love a caked queen, like, of course, like, who's trying to look natural, not me. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in Chestnut, I think. And then I'm just, you know, going to blend all of that out so it doesn't look like we've been punched in the face. That's not cute. This is kind of washing me out, but I promise you it's going to come together. Don't even worry about it. I'm using the residue to also highlight that contour because, you know, we want our contour to be sharper than our eyesight. Okay, I'm using my Black Opal finishing powder in the darkest shade. I always use this just to make me look alive again, not look like I'm a corpse because that's not cute, you know. I'm using that on my nose as well just to make sure it's lightly contoured. I don't really contour my nose. I just bronze it up a little bit because, you know, you gotta love your nose and all of that. Yeah, I'm using my pretty little thing eyeshadow to blush my face, basically. It's like... Okay, so now we're on to the more exciting part. So I have a cold, so I'm sick. Just ignore that. So we've done the base of our makeup. We've done our eyes. I'm kind of cute if I do this on myself. So now it's time for the freckles. I'm just going to keep it really simple today. I'm going to go in with a dark pencil. This is the easiest way, I feel like. Another way is also to get a pomade. Use a thin pencil brush to dab the pomade and then dot around your face. But I'm just going to use a pencil today. Random little dots around your face. Make sure your pencil is sharp, of course. I would say dab and twist as well because that helps a little bit to helps to darken up the freckles a bit more. And then I'm going to take a concealer that's a lot darker than my skin tone. And then I'm just going to dab it. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm going to use a angled brush, the tip of the brush, to just dot around my face to make darker freckles. Make sure they're not uniform, otherwise that will just look so weird, because I'm pretty sure freckles are never uniform. This is what it looks like. Oh, it looks so cute. So after you're happy with the freckles, make sure they're dry, otherwise it's gonna look a mess. You just take the residue of the sponge and then just go over the freckles so they look more like skin and not like you just painted them on, because obviously we want them to look real. We want to look like we were born this way, you know? So just lightly dab, so then they can kind of get pushed into your skin and they look way more real, look way more realistic. So then I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. I'm just going to add some highlight and lips, and I'll be right back. Oops. That was an accident. Okay, I'm gonna go in my waterline to add the kind of cream looking vibe, because so far we have the orange pumpkin spice, we're gonna call this glitter in the middle caramel, and then the cream is gonna be underneath. So I'm gonna use this white eyeshadow stick by Primark, and I'm gonna use that under my eyes to add the white. I'm going to go in a little bit more with white eyeshadow just on my waterline to make it pop that a little bit more. And then I'm going to use this gold again just to go under my eye, just in the middle here, so it reflects with the gold at the top. I think it will look kind of cute, I don't know. Okay, well you can't really tell, but you know. And then now to tie everything in, I'm going to spray my thick spray just to make sure everything like merges together. Then while that dries, I'm gonna move on to my lips. So now time for the big reveal. I'm gonna take off my headscarf. Hopefully my hair is set, but we shall see. Cute.